Come on, you guys, you slowpokes, get up.
I gotta get a drink. I'm so freaking thirsty. Just let me.
Then hurry up about that.
Oh, it's cold. Get used to it. It's water. If there's any more of us.
That's hard to say.
What if we're the only ones?
We can't say that yet. You guys need me to come down?
We're bad.
Watch out for those holes. Zombies can pop out.
A really strong one.
It's great.
What?
That's great. I found an outhouse type thing. No more pooping in rivers or bushes. Oh, I forgot my gun. Whoop. Wow, these two are very slow.
Oh my gosh, guys, I just found a bone.
You did?
Yeah, an animal bone. Again? Again? It's the first one. These are moving, so we need to get out of here fast.
Go, 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 move, move, go, 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 Angel, go! Don't hold up, don't hold up!
Frank! My zombie kids in those. You never know.
Run!
Hello! We realized we were all good. I'm stuck.
Ah, push it!
What was that?
It was
Your own imagination.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Look at that, look at their vase, go, go, let's go to the vase. Push.
What's behind us? I don't want to look at it no more.
Oh, go, 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 just get the vase, get it. Go!
I hate this. Get in here. What's this?
Home sweet home. Just call it that for a while.
Well, now, I call it top boat.
Home sweet home, I say. Home sweet home.
It's warm in here.
Oh, yeah, it is. So what rations do we have?
I don't know. We got a couple pieces of food.
Okay,
Left.
I'm going to put the... If any humans see this, I'm putting the camera down.
What do we got? We got some carrots. We got some I got money in my pack.
We got some water from the river. Oh, dogs barking.
And there's eggs.
Okay,
We got eggs.
you guys stay here so you can find it, okay? You guys just talk about what you're talking about. Okay? Talk about God and the malls and stuff. I got stuff to help. I'll see you guys. I gotta put the oil around the house.
Okay. Okay. Be careful.
What about the camera?
Okay. I can't reach it.
Video, though.
You want me to shoot him now, don't you?
At least I've got a boyfriend.
Oh, shut up.
He did propose before. Now
He's probably dead.
Probably a zombie by now.
No, I just shot him.
You bitch.
I think he deserved it if he was trying to eat me.
You know, but the fact that there's like zombies and everything, it would be a really cool place.
Really?
If we were friends and all, but
No, I don't know either of you two bitches, so.
okay. Seriously, Angel, you act like you're bad. You are afraid to shoot a gun.
I am not.
Okay, guys, let's go look for any guns or ammo. Leave your stuff here except for you. Oh, I shot my gun. Oh my gosh. You know, gotta reload my gun. Guys, stop. I gotta redo it again, so now I have to make a new one. And okay, never mind. Keep going. Okay, guys, let's look for
I'm
rations.
gonna try and find like roadkill or something like rabbits. I'm hungry. I'm gonna find like 6 rabbits we can make small blankets.
Knock a wood stick over him. And then that dog, that'll look like a dog. Make dog noises. Do you guys hear that dog noise? a dog! Are you okay? Go get her, go get her! I gotta see them. It's dead.